Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make green jackfruit with coconut fusion, or in Malayalam it's called as pacha chakka vechal. It's a traditional dish which is made in Kerala in southern part of India. So let's go for the ingredients. Now let's get started. The first step we are going to do is, I'm going to steam the jackfruit for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we are going to blend the coconut, add in the garlic, the cumin seeds, the turmeric powder, curry leaves, and 2 green chilies. And we are going to blend it. And to this I'm going to add a little bit of water. I've added a little bit of water and now we are going to coarse grind it. Now I have coarse grinded it and this is how it's supposed to look. Not too pasty, not too thick. After 15 to 20 minutes, my jackfruit is cooked. To a heated pan, I'm going to add in the coconut oil. To this I'm going to add the mustard seeds. After the mustard splutters, I'm going to add in the shallots and the dry red chili. Next, add in the curry leaves. Next, add in the coconut mixture and saute it. After 2 minutes of sauteing, the raw smell is gone now. And to this I'm going to add in the green jackfruit, which we have cooked, and mix it well. Saute on a medium flame for a few minutes and add salt according to your taste. After a few minutes of mixing it well, we are going to turn off the stove. And the next process is we are going to mash it. Now your green jackfruit with coconut fusion, or pacha chakka vechal, is ready now. You can serve it with fish curry. Now let's try the recipe. You don't need a spoon or fork, you just use your hands. And take a little bit of fish. Add it to your green jackfruit with coconut fusion. Let's try it. So good. This is my second bite. It's hot. That's a tasty dish which you guys should try it. So if you liked our video, please share and subscribe to our channel. And also if you have any feedback, just put it on the comment box. and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.